Hello everyone. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides using a rubber band for joining them. After that we are going to repeat the same steps again and again till we reach the last, and then we are going to secure it with the rubber band. After that we are going to take all of the hair and then tying a low ponytail with it. At some space we are going to apply a rubber band again, making a space in between, folding it out into this beautiful heart-shaped bun, taking the excess hair and folding it around the bun and tying again a rubber band on it, and your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides and then securing it by using this rubber band. After that we are going to fold it out into itself, as you can clearly see in the video. Then we are going to repeat the same step once more by taking hair from both the sides and applying a rubber band and then folding it along with the first attachment we've made. Then we are going to apply a clip on it. Next we are going to take a ponytail, leaving some part untied at the front, and then taking the ponytail and using this tool and folding our hair into the simple bun. After that we are going to take the remaining part and then we are using a comb and dividing them into 3 parts and folding it out into the simple loose braid. As you can see, along with the bun we are making this braid and losing it up. After that we are going to attach this braid with the bun and then secure it with any kind of clips or pins you have, and your simple easy hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take hair from one side, dividing them into 3 parts and then folding them out once. After that we are going to start taking hair from both the sides one by one and attaching it to our braid, as you can see in the step we are doing in the video. After that again repeat the same steps again and again by taking one part from the side and then folding it underneath the braid, and then you can see this pattern is made. After that we are going to continue it at the last, and then we are going to take out our hair and then making a simple braid at the last. Then we are going to secure it by using a rubber band, and then you can repeat the same step with the other side also, and your beautiful hairstyle is almost ready. Then you can apply any accessories like clips or rubber band of your choice. Next we are going to take our hair. We are going to take hair from both the sides a little bit and then tying them with a rubber band and folding them once, then dividing them into 2 to 3 parts, and then using this tool we are going to fold the first part into the other side and then dividing all of the hair into 3 parts and making out a simple braid. After it is done we are going to loose it up, as you can clearly see, and then we are going to again fold the braid into the simple bun and then joining a bobby pin for securing the hair, and you can see a simple easy hairstyle is ready.